Welcome to another video on the 3C Release Manager for Automic. In this one, we're looking at the topic of the 4 Eyes principle for deployments. For this purpose, we will log in as user A@tricise.com. The goal here is to implement a 4 Eyes principle within a client. In this case, it's client 106. To do this, we take a look at the settings of the environment. And in the additional settings section, we can see that 2 approvals are required for a deployment. That means 2 approvals from 2 different users. If we now create a deployment, new deployment, we first select our target, in this case client 106. Create. As the source, we choose the client, or rather, we select a snapshot from client 105. We pick the object jobs win test 1. With a click on add and a click on open deployment, this object is added. We can now, as already known, finalize the deployment for execution with preparation ready. In this case, however, the run button is grayed out, so it strictly requires 2 approvals before the run button can be executed. In my case, as user A, I can give myself the first approval. However, it now requires the approval of another user before the run button can be clicked. For this, we will log into the system as user B. We switch to the deployments area and look for the deployment that needs approval. Here too, we are informed that apparently another approval is still needed, and mind you, from a different user. With a click on Approve, the Run button is now enabled. If we now click on Run, the deployment is carried out as intended. So much for the topic of the 4 Eyes principle for deployments. Thank you very much for watching.